Hi, welcome to Francois Maths class. Today we are going to look at Wassce 2022 elective maths for May June. Question number 13, and the question was on probability, which is on combination. The question reads: a panel of 6 members is to be formed from 5 doctors and 10 nurses to include each profession. Find correct to 2 decimal places the probability of selecting the members to include A. Equal doctors and nurses. B. At most 2 nurses. C. More doctors than nurses. So reading from the question, you realize that both professions should be included in the panel. So let's look at how we go about it. So if you look at the question, we are going to use the combination method to go with it. If you look at the question, it says that we are supposed to form 6 members, 6 members, or 6 panel. And with this, we have 5 doctors, number of doctors, we have 5, and number of nurses, we have 10. So their total is what? 15. So with this, the total, we are going to select 6 people from it. And out of 6 people, when you look at the first one is saying that there should be equal number of doctors and nurses. And you are supposed to form 6. So if you are supposed to have equal number of doctors and nurses, so it means that then you should have 3 nurses and 3 doctors. Okay, so with the A part, it's telling us that we should have how many nurses? 3. So if we have 5 nurses, 5 doctors, then it means you are supposed to get 3. So it can 5 combination. So with the doctors, it means there are 5. We are supposed to choose 3 out of that. Then 5, we are choosing 3. Then we look at the nurses. The nurses are 10, and you are supposed to choose 3 out of the total. So if you want to look at the first one, the equal number of doctors, and nurses, it becomes 5 combination 3. That's 5, you are choosing 3 times 10 combination 3 all over 15, we are choosing 6 all over that. So with this, let's look at our calculator. Go to our calculator. So we have 5 combination 3. 5 combination 3 will give us 10 times 10 combination 3 will also give us 120 all over 15 combination 6. We have 5, 0, 0, 5. So it means you are going to have 1, 2, 0, 0 over 5, 0, 0, 5. So with this 1, 2, 0, 0 divided by 5, 0, 0, 5, we are supposed to have 0.23976. But we are supposed to have 2 decimal places. So therefore, we have 0.24. 0.24. And that is for our A. Now let's move to our B. So with the B, we are saying that at most 2 nurses. At most 2 nurses. So it means that we should have a nurse within the group. So it means if we have at most 2, so it means it shouldn't be more than 2. So it means we should have 1 nurse or 2 nurses. So if you have 1 nurse, it means that 10, if you are choosing 1, it means the number of doctors within that will be 5, because we are supposed to have 6 members. So it becomes 10 combination 1 times 5 combination 5 all over 15 combination 6, or where the or becomes plus, or the next should be 2 because it means at most 2. So if there are 2, it means the 10 we are choosing 2 times 5 combination. If there are 2, it means the doctors will be 4 out of the 15 combination 6. So now we can solve for that. So we have our 10 combination 1 is giving us 10 times 5 combination 5 will also give us 1 all over 15 combination 6 is 5005 plus 10 combination 2 will give us 45 times 5 combination 4, that will be 5 all over 5005. So we have 10 over 5005 plus 45 times 5, 225 over 5005. So we have 235 over 5005. And this one, 235 over 5005, will give us 0.00 0.04695 0.04695. So to 3dp becomes 0.05. 0.04695. So to 2dp becomes 0.05. 0.05. And that is the solution for B. Now if you look at C, C is also talking of more doctors than nurses. More doctors than nurses. So if we are supposed to have more doctors than nurses, it means that they cannot be equal. So it means the doctors must be 4 or more. It means the nurse should have 1 or 2. So if you compare it, the C to the B, it means they are supposed to be the same, because the nurses, either you have 1 nurse or 2 nurses, because the doctors are supposed to be more. So if they are more, it means that we can have 10, 1 nurse, which is 10, we are choosing 1 times 5 combination 5 over 15 combination 6 plus either, or we have 2 nurses, that's 10 combination 2 times 5 combination 4 over 15 combination 6. And this one is the same as this, so approximately we are going to have the same answer because it follows the same process. So we have 0.05. So question, the B and the C are all the same, so we are supposed to have the same answer, 0.05. Continue to subscribe to Francois Maths class so that you can enjoy a lot of lessons like this. Have a nice day and bye bye.